first, I just have to tell how I discovered that Grandmaster came to Strasbourg. Because when I bought the magazine, the famous French one, the Yoga magazine, he was inside. I have seen his flyer, and I jumped on it and I called straight away Valérie.
Yes, quickly. She was so happy to see.
Happy. I felt already the happiness.
Yes, I remember.
You remember?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
It was an enthusiasm, and now, how do you feel after this work?
Honestly, I expected so many things about this beautiful week we're still sharing, but how I experienced it since the beginning, it's amazing. It's an amazing journey. This is my feeling, but I know that all of them, all the people I met till now, it's an amazing journey, and all the feelings you can have, all the emotions, everything you share, you just share this beautiful energy. And Grandmaster goes so deeply in details, all the relevant details you need in your life. He just answer to your question, even if you don't have any questions, because he knows already the question. It's just a gift. And it's so beautiful. Sometimes I just could cry without ending because it's so beautiful, and I feel so blessed, and I'm so lucky that I have this conscience to appreciate life. So I love myself, and I can say I can love the other one.
So no question more.
Thank you so much, Grandmaster. Thank you so much. And I plan to go to Bangalore. It was already my dream.
Yes, but we give all details for that.
And now I know where to go. Nowhere else. I know it's for me, it's just, I don't know if we say this in English, an evidence, but when something
is... truth.
Yes.
Like a truth.
Exactly. So. And thank you also, Valérie and Veronique, because Actem Yoga is really a beautiful place. I've never been here before, it's my first time. And what a shame that I live so far from here.
Thank you.
But I would love to come here every single day.